explain the light waves and photons. The electromagnetic theory of light, proposed by Maxwell, could not explain the photoelectric effect. But Max Planck's quantum theory successfully explains the photoelectric effect. According to Planck's quantum theory, light is emitted in the form of discrete packets of energy called quanta or photon. The energy of each photon is E is equal to h nu, where h is Planck's constant. Photon is neither a particle nor a wave. In the phenomena like interference, diffraction, and polarisation, the photon behaves like a wave. In the phenomena like emission, absorption, and interaction with matter, that is the photoelectric effect, photon behaves as a particle. Hence, light photon has a dual nature.